5, it is given 3x square minus 5, 3x square plus 5 equal to 9x square minus 25. We will take LHS. 3x square minus 5, 3x square plus 5. Now it is a minus b into a plus b, and you know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. This is the identity. Now we can use this identity. So it will be equal to 3x square whole square minus 5 whole square, which will be equal to 9x raised to the power 4 minus 25. Now compare this and this. At a glance, you could see that both are almost same, only there is difference of power of x. So error is, instead of x square there should be x raised to the power 4, and correct statement is 9x raised to the power 4 minus 25. Question number 6 is very easy. You can solve it in just one step. Just you have to solve the like terms. All are like terms over here. So it will be 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11x, which is not equal to 10x. Error is, instead of 10x, there should be 11x, and correct statement is 11x only. So it is clear how to solve these type of questions. See, in question number 7, this expression is given to you. That means first of all we need to factorize this term. It is x square plus 5x plus 6. Now in LHS it is given x square plus 5x plus 6 upon x plus 3. And you very well know in the question of division one factor is the same which is given for division, or you can say which is given as a divisor. So one factor of 6 will be 3. What could be the another factor? 2 only, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So factorize it upon x plus 3. Now out of these x is common, what will be left? X plus 3. Out of these two, 2 is common, what will be left? X plus 3. Now see, x plus 3 is common, x plus 2 upon x plus 3. This cancel out, what will be left? X plus 2. So error is that instead of 7 there should be 2, and corrected statement is x plus 2. You can write error, instead of 7 there should be 2, and corrected statement is x plus 2. Now let's solve question number 8. In this, monomial is given, and whenever monomial is given for division, what you have to do, you have to divide each term separately by that monomial. That means we need to divide 4x cube by 2x and 2x square by 2x. What we will get? We will get 2x square minus x. 2x square minus x. Now error is clear to you that instead of 2x square it should be x in the second term. So error is that second term should be x instead of 2x square. Is that clear? Now corrected statement is 2x square minus x. Always remember one thing, if 0 is given to you, it is only possible if both the terms of numerator are same. Otherwise, it is not possible to obtain 0 in any case.